Hello food lovers, welcome to Peeply Fresh. My name is Anoop. Today we are going to prepare sweet and sour ananas or sweet and sour pineapple. This dish is vegan, gluten-free, light and delicious. So for our sweet and sour ananas, we need banana or pineapple. I'm not going to use the whole pineapple, I only need half of it, around 250 grams. So I need to get rid of the top part. So basically I need half of this pineapple, and if you think it's too much hassle to chop the pineapple like that, you can always go for the tin pineapple one. So I took around half of pineapple, around 250 grams. This is where the sweetness comes from in our dish. And also we need some shallots. I took around 3 small shallots. If you got a red onion at home, you can use red onion. Few cloves of garlic, ginger, and some dried chilies. So our dried chilies, I'm not going to use the seeds. Where is all the heat come from? But if you like a little bit of heat in our dish, you can always keep the seeds in. And also we need some yogurt. This is the sourness come from in our dish. You can go for any plant-based yogurt. Make sure it's a little bit sour, not very plain. I got some almond yogurt here and a little bit of shredded coconut. It's around 100 grams of shredded coconut here. Also we need some cumin seeds and some turmeric. So first we need to finely chop the pineapple. And don't worry about the size, because what we are going to do is cook the pineapple with a little bit of water. So you just roughly chop them, but make sure they are small pieces so it's cooked quickly. Now onions, just again finely chop them. Ginger and garlic, again finely chopped. And chilies, like I said earlier, I'm not going to keep the seeds because I think the flavor comes from outside and the heat comes from the seeds. So try to get rid of as much as seeds as possible. So we finished prepping the ingredients. We got our pineapple or ananas finely chopped. We got our onions, ginger, garlic, chilies all de-seeded. So the next step will be blending our coconut to a paste. So before that, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now it's time to heat a pan, and when the pan is hot, add our pineapple, chopped pineapple, with a little bit of water and also 1 teaspoon salt, and keep the lid on and cook this pineapple for 5 to 6 minutes. So our pineapple is cooking for around 5 minutes now. This is the time to add a little bit of turmeric. This is mainly for color, and also turmeric helps reduce the inflammation. So I tried to use a little bit of turmeric on all my dishes. So after 5 minutes, just switch off the heat. And this time add the coconut paste. So there is 100 gram coconut and half a teaspoon cumin seeds. And mix that well. And finally, our yogurt. You can use any plant-based yogurt. And keep the lid back on and leave it in this pan for another 5 more minutes. And put another pan to add 1 teaspoon coconut oil. Coconut oil is hot. Add the chopped ginger and garlic and the chilies, dried chilies. And also we can add our chopped shallots. And when the onions show a little bit of brown color, you can switch off the heat and leave this onion, ginger, garlic and chili mix in this pan for another few more minutes. Our onion, ginger, garlic and chili mix is fried. So I'm going to add that on top of our pineapple and put the lid back on and leave it there for another few more minutes. So this is our delicious sweet and sour ananas or sweet and sour pineapple. It is a very simple and healthy dish. If you are watching this video on YouTube, consider subscribing, give me a thumbs up, share this recipe with your friends and family, and always leave your suggestions in the comment box. I'm going to try our sweet and sour pineapple with a little bit of rice. I got some wild rice and brown rice mix. For our sweet and sour pineapple, if you want a thicker dish, a thicker gravy, when you cook the pineapple, instead of keeping the lid on, keep it open, so most of the moisture will evaporate and you will get a bit more thicker dish. Straight away you get the little bit of sweetness from the pineapple and a little bit of sourness from the yogurt, a tiny hint of heat from the chilies, and when you eat it's very light, ideal for summertime. So hope you try this dish and let me know, and I will see you all next time.